How to day trade on Charles Schwab. At first, fund your account and meet the margin requirements. Then log into your account and select Trade. Click the All-in-One Trade ticket. Enter the ticker symbol, quantity, and order type. Choose to buy or sell the security. Review your order and confirm your details and place your trade. Day trading involves buying and selling the same security within a single day. If you make 4 or more day trades in 5 business days, and those trades account for more than 6% of your account activity, your account will be flagged as a pattern day trader account. By following these steps, you can effectively day trade on Charles Schwab. If you need assistance, Schwab's customer support can guide you through the process as well. Thanks for watching.